Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make whoopie pies. Look at those. Get a mixing bowl, pour in 125 grams of sugar, add 75 grams of unsalted butter to that and whisk it up. We're using an electric whisk because it's nice and quick. Using a spatula, scrape it off the sides of the bowl, crack in 1 egg and then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix. Now pour in 175 grams of plain flour, mix that in, plus 50 millilitres of buttermilk. Give it a good mix till it's all combined. And then add in a little bit of red food colouring. Lovely. Just pop that into a food piping bag. Ready to pipe onto your non-stick baking tray. We're going in a spiral motion here, piping circles like so. We can fit about 6 of these on this tray. Ready to bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Now they're ready, we're going to make the sandwiches. So we've got some buttercream icing, we're just popping that into a food piping bag. Then just snip off the end. And let's start compiling our whoopie pies. Get one of your red circles, turn it upside down, pipe on your buttercream icing. And then close with another piece. Lovely. Keep going till they're all done, and there you have your whoopie pies. Awesome. Enjoy!